Welcome back to our Terraform series. In today's video, we will be diving into provisioners, a powerful feature in Terraform that allows you to run script or any commands on your infrastructure after it has been created or modified. This feature enables you to automate configuration tasks, install software, or perform any post-deployments actions required on your infrastructure. Let's take a closer look at how provisioners work in Terraform. What exactly are provisioners in Terraform? Provisioners are a way to execute a script actions on your infrastructure after Terraform has created or updated your resource. This is useful for tasks like installing software on virtual machine. For example, you have a server and you want to install Node.js on it. Using provisioners, you can do that how we will learn in this video. And then configure a server after its provision. Imagine you have a newly created virtual machine and you want to ensure it has correct time zone or running custom scripts to configure your infrastructure. Let's say you want to configure a database after Terraform creates the instance. You want to upload and execute a script that sets up a PostgreSQL database. However, it's important to note that while provisioners are powerful, they should be used rarely. Terraform's primary role is to manage infrastructure, and provisioners are meant to help additional tasks only when necessary. So, how many types of provisioners are there? There are a few different types of provisioners in Terraform. Let's go through them briefly. So, the first one is remote execute. This provisioner runs command on the remote machine via SSH to create. It's great for running installation scripts or configuring a server after it has been created. Then we have local execute. This provisioner runs commands locally on your machine or on the system where Terraform is being executed. It's useful for interacting with external systems or performing local setup tasks. And then the last one is file. This provisioner allows you to copy files from your local machine to a remote machine after it has been provisioned. In our next video, we will do hands-on on remote execute. Thank you.